Friends, let's have a little planner chat time. The first thing we're going to do is an unboxing from my Black Friday shopping at Serilyn Art, and then we are going to chat and clean up my planner desk because it is a mess. I mean, it's crazy right now. So, but I wanted to get through, I say get through. I officially have a sinus infection. I am on medication now, which is great. But I will say this, I'm at that beginning point of medication where things are kind of like getting kicked around. And so I'm still very tired, but I still wanted to do our little planner chat for Saturday. So I'm filming this on the Saturday I am uploading it, which is unusual for me. I don't like to do that, but I digress. So, Serilyn Art. How cute. I love her little thank yous. They're super duper cute. I'm going to move the actual purchases to the side. I'm going to look at our little thank you bundle first of freebies from multiple shops. I think this charm is so cute. I don't have any like planner charms like this, or every time I get one, I tend to break it because I'm just hard on things. So hopefully this one feels very sturdy, so hopefully that one will keep up. That's really cute. I'm just gonna do a kind of quick go through of these. Look at this lot. That one's fun. I love the 2025s. I'll be saving those. In fact, I should probably put that. Anything that's like kind of New Year's-y, put those together. That's cute. All of the coffee. A Sudoku puzzle. I might have to give that one to my husband. He likes Sudokus. Oh, they're so cute. So that'll go in the New Year's pile. Oh, we got some Christmas. I'll put that to the side with the New Year's, just so that I'm able to find it quicker. All right, so this and so those guys go there. Everything's going back in its little pouch for right now, but I'll keep the New Year's and Christmas stuff towards the front, so it is easily findable. Right. All right, so I did not realize that she was going to ship so fast. Otherwise, I probably would have gotten a few more Christmassy things from Serilyn Art. But, I mean, because it was fast. Like, I ordered Black Friday, and I got it Cyber Monday. That's how fast. I did order very early in the morning, but still. All right, so this was one of the freebies that I got with my order. Again, super duper cute. As well as, oh, the cute Christmas puppies. So cute. I got some recycling icons because I figured going into the new year, my husband and I always like to download the recycling schedule because it's every other week. I can put that in my planner. I got some more date dots or date numbers because this will take me through the first 3 monthlies of my printables. So, and they're perfect size. Look how cute these snowmen are. I know you can kind of see things over here. But I got these because they were very wintry. I was like, okay, this can be December, January, even with the pink into February, for sure. Got some boxes because we need some boxes, all of the boxes. I got some winter rooms. Got some more boxes. I like that there's some library stuff in here too. I'm gonna put these boxes. I got the black ones again because I tend to gravitate towards those. I also got a lot of bookish themed things because I plan on using these in my reading journal this year. I just thought they were fun. As well as I like the shelves. I think these are really cute. And then I got some winter critters. Again, I thought these would be great really any time of the year. Well, not any time, any winter time of the year. See? Yeah, that's where we're at, friends. And this was a freebie because I spent something. I don't even remember what I spent. Maybe, I don't remember. That's not going to jog my brain that much. But I like these because most of them don't really say Christmas. You could use these for a birthday or really anything. This one is probably the closest to saying Christmas because of the greenery. So, very cool. So that is my Serilyn Art haul. Now, let's get organizing stickers and planner desk things and all of that, and chatting about planners and stickers and all that. I'm going to insert a picture here. Here's the before of what my planner desk looks like. Yeah, it's a hot mess. So if you're new to my channel, you may not know this story. If you're returning, this is just to catch up. So for about 2 years, my parents lived with me and my husband before it was time to go to an assisted living. For a couple reasons. We're not getting into that. So the room that my planner desk is in now was always meant to be kind of my planner room, office, music room. But then it ended up turning into our bedroom so that my parents could have the master bedroom that's downstairs on the first floor because they can't do stairs. So when we moved things back over here, I just kind of piled things in boxes. Okay, this is for new planner 2025. These are sheets. I'm just going to make some piles of things. Sticker book. I really should just probably get rid of this one. Let me look. I'll put it to the side. Paper. This is for next year's planner. These are actually two, if you've seen the Loop Group videos, these are different pages I've made through the Loop Group video. So this was awareness monthlies, as well as I did an awareness about chores. This is my challenge. This was the globe one that just came out. So I need to keep these guys together because they're going to go in the 2025 planner. This can be thrown out. This is for something else. I know you can't see everything that I'm doing, but that's okay. Extra paper. Probably just get this all in one container because that would help save space. So yeah, so when we moved everything back into this room, it's still kind of like piecemealed, but that's okay. So I think we're gonna put everything this way. What is your favorite way, if you are a planner person, to organize your things? We got this this desk from Wayfair. I believe it was Wayfair. Okay, this is coming out because I know you're just gonna hurt the mushrooms, so don't need you. Got it from Wayfair. It was super easy to put together, and it came with like a bookshelf, so it was like a 2-piece set. You just gotta be careful with Wayfair because sometimes, I mean, when we had to move this thing upstairs, like we put it together upstairs, but it was heavy. Okay, never mind. This plastic's going too. We will just put this in a better location. That is what we will do. Again, this goes with planner, so we'll leave that here. Ooh, I also have, ooh, can I fit you in this guy? I have a whole thing of big paper, which will help with, I bet you I can fit you all in here. Yes. Excellent. This is big happy planner paper that I got when I was using a big happy planner for my teacher planner. I'm going to be using it for other things because we're not going to not use it. Okay. I have leftover sticker sheets that are just going to go, because sometimes they just got to go. These are all still usable. Sometimes it's just that I haven't even, like, just didn't put them away. Let's get out the sticker books, in fact. So I have 2 Simply Gilded sticker albums. I bought them when I was buying from Coffee Planner Mom, but Coffee Planner Mom is now out of the sticker shop business. I'll pare those down. So let's go ahead and see what we can reduce in here. I know I have, so let's go ahead and put just empty boxes. I do this a lot with my small sticker company sheets, where once I only have like pieces of things, I take the like paper backing off and just throw them on one sheet, so it's just easier. All right, it's starting to feel better. So what's cool about my planner desk is that there are little like openings in the side. So here's my hands, and then if you go out this way, there's some openings. And that's where I house my sticker books. But I do want to look through these guys too, because like I said, there's just some stuff that I'm thinking maybe it's time. That's pretty much empty, so it's fine. So these are seasonal. These are bits and pieces of seasonal, but it's so hard to get rid of the things. Okay, what if we get rid of the empty pages though? And there's no school candy. I just don't use those colors, right? I don't know, I'll keep it together for now. Seasonal. It's okay to let that one go. It's okay to let that one go. Seasonal summer. Productivity. So let's put summer over here. Planner basics. Let's put the food and the health stuff together. I may actually we'll go through that guy in a moment. All right, food. Let's put food there. Let's put our planner basics on the left and our seasonal stuff and decorative stuff on the right. So we'll do, Live Look Posh is pretty big, so we'll put them on the bottom. Oh, there's extra pages here. And then these guys. Fruits and florals I'll put with the regular side over here. Some happy seasons, pet quotes. These are all like more, this one's going. It was a mini one, and I have used everything in there that I'm going to use. So farmhouse, we'll put these on this side. See what these are more like functional. All right. This is a combination of many different health books, and I'm not going to use the meal prep. I'm not going to use, so let's take this guy off my big binder ring here. and let's just make this more palatable. I just don't use them. Like I like having some positive affirmations, but so we'll keep a few of those. Throw out, keep. Checklists are great. But I might just cut them out because I don't need the other stuff. Out, 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 out. See, it's just, I've used some of them. I don't go back to them. I do want to keep these pages for right now because I just do. I'm not using those or these or these or these. Let me cut these apart and we'll throw them in a sticker album. See, it's good to go through your stickers every now and then. And I know some people would say, oh, this is wasteful. No, it was useful at a certain time. It's just not anymore, and I'm done saving things. Right? It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna keep some of these for right now. These are good decorative. Don't use that. I gotta keep the fuller page. Because I've had it for years, if I haven't touched it, I'm not gonna touch it, right? I'm not gonna touch it. Keep the boxes. These I've pretty much used up, so yep. I'll keep the back. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pile. This is just stuff I am not using. Not using. Or they've been picked over enough and the stickers that I don't need are still there. So that's so much more workable than what I was using before. So let's get the binder clip back on it. It's kind of like, do you ever organize your closet? And when you organize your closet, do you do the method where, this will go on this side, do you do the method where you turn the hangers a certain direction, and then if you notice you have not changed the, like if you wear the outfit, then you change the hanger back the normal direction, whatever your normal direction is. I do that, and it does let me double check my like what I'm actually wearing. And I think that's important because if you're not wearing it, either donate it to someone who's going to use it. Put the ruler in here. Extra discs. All right, friends, it's not perfect, but this is where we're going to stop. I will take a picture of where we are at. I don't have a good spot for those yet, so I will take a picture of where we are at so that you know, and I will catch you all in the next planner chat.